Okay, you know Samsung and how cheap their phones can get. How exactly do they get them so cheap? And are they even good? That's what we will be figuring out today. I want you to guess how much this phone costs. Some might assume this costs $500 or even $1,000 because it has 3 cameras. What if I told you this only costs $200? And taking a look at the Geekbench scores of the iPhone SE2 and the Samsung A14, we could see that the iPhone outperforms it by just a little bit. Besides performance, the Galaxy A14 seems like the better deal. But how did they get it so cheap? Is there a catch to it? Well, it turns out the Galaxy A14 costs more to make than they are selling it for. But how are they getting their money back? Well, they are using ads to get their money back. For example, on the setup screen, they have an ad for TikTok saying that it is an essential app. And for some other times, other essential apps will show here as well. This is all done on the server side and gets these apps, and TikTok and other companies would be paying Samsung a fortune, which is why it looks like a great deal. Another way Samsung is making money off of their cheap phones is by bloating the entire operating system with ads. For example, in the weather app, there are ads on the top every single time you want to check the weather. This provides frustration for a bunch of users that some people even don't go the Samsung route at all. Samsung also has a contract with Google saying that they will sell their users' data just so Google can continue selling that data with relevant searches, and Samsung makes more money. Ads are the main way that Samsung is getting their money back. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!